Are you interested in learning a new skill that enables you to make profits from anywhere in the world? Trading Trends for Profit, Stocks, Forex, and Cryptocurrency is a practical education course that teaches you the basics of trading with financial charts. Hi everyone, Ryan B here from Practical Trading Laboratories. I've spent over 15 years developing my trading skills in financial markets and now want to share that knowledge with you. The techniques you'll learn in this course can be applied to trading in any kind of market and any type of asset, commodity, or holding. So if you're looking to become a stock trader, a forex trader, or a cryptocurrency trader, Trading Trends for Profit is the course for you. Discover how to take advantage of shifts in the market and profit from trading, no matter if markets are trending up or down. All you need to get started is computer on mobile phone and a strong desire to learn and succeed. The strategies taught in this course can be learned by anyone, no matter what your background is or experience in the financial trading sector. Here's what you'll learn: what financial trends are and how to trade them for profit, how to spot up trends and downtrends in financial markets, where to enter trades for maximum profits and when to exit trades to retain those profits and avoid potential losses. You also learn how to draw trend lines, how to identify support and resistance zones, how to buy the dip and sell the rally, and an introduction to pivot points and risk-reward ratios. This course is comprised of 5 lectures. Each lecture has 2 to 4 lessons. There are additional live chart analysis sessions so you can get practical examples of the information being taught, and all the lessons are comprised of short 2 to 5 minute videos for easily digestible ideas. Each lecture has a practice session and a quiz and review to refresh your memory on the things you've learned. The methods and strategies we'll learn this course can be applied to trading on any kind of market, including stocks, forex, cryptocurrency, precious metals, and any other asset that has a price chart. It doesn't matter if you have never studied financial charts before. Trading Trends for Profit can help teach you fundamental principles of becoming a successful trader. Trading Trends for Profit can be achieved by anyone. All you need to get going is a computer or mobile phone and a strong desire to succeed. Ready to get started? Go ahead and sign up for Trading Trends for Profit, Stocks, Forex, and Cryptocurrency right now.